And hey, well, this is Francisco from Wondershare Dr. Phone. And if you've ever lost any kind of data that you wanted to try and get back from your phone, particularly when it comes to things like WhatsApp messages, then here we've actually got the solution for you. Here's how you can recover your WhatsApp messages using Wondershare Dr. Phone data recovery for Android. Now let's go ahead and dive right in. And I'll make sure to give us a like, and also don't forget to comment any of your questions down below as we move forward with this tutorial. Also make sure to share this video with others who might find it useful, and most importantly, subscribe for more content just like this. Now let's get right into it. Now go ahead and follow these steps coming right up, and the first thing that you're going to want to do is go ahead and download Dr. Phone, of course, and then on the main interface for that, go ahead and click the download button, and after that, I just go ahead and tap on the first button, which is going to be data recovery, in order to launch the tool. And this is going to be a must step to follow in order to be able to restore your WhatsApp messages. And next up, there are going to be 4 options for you to choose from, and just go ahead and click on the recover data portion. And in this case, it's going to be to recover data from WhatsApp. And before you tap it, just go ahead and connect your phone to your computer. And then afterwards, go ahead and click on next. And it might take a little bit of time in order to back up your data, which is going to depend on how much data created on your WhatsApp. And after completing the backup, all that you need to do is just to go ahead and follow from your WhatsApp, including your WhatsApp messages, group conversation, start talk, photo, TV, video, audio, and etc. You can either choose view the data details or just recover them over to your PC. After clicking on the recover to computer button, all of your history deleted files will be brought right back. And on the top right, you're going to have the option to select the existing data and deleted data to recover. You can go ahead and choose whichever one you would like to recover. And that's it. And that's how you would recover your messages using Dr. Phone data recovery for Android. And if you like this video, then do make sure to leave us a like and comment any of your questions down below. Share this video with others and subscribe for more content just like this moving forward. So until next time, enjoy.